Walgreens deals of the week. This week at Walgreens, you're able to get great deals like this one where you can put offers together to make a bigger transaction and get the most out of it. So these two were two separate transactions. I did all of the deodorants in one and the two Dove on another. So we're gonna get started with the Dove and Degree products. The Degree deodorant is coming out $7.79 for one, and the second one is half off. There's also a $2 digital coupon on the app of Walgreens, and that lowers the price a little bit, but not too much. Now check your store because I was able to find these coupons in the store right under the deodorant for an extra $2 off. Because the app has a $2 off of one deodorant, I was able to use this one for the second deodorant, so something like this, and therefore getting $4 off. Now the Dove Vitamin Care is normally $13.99, so it was on sale this week for $8, which is already great in and itself. However, there's also a $2 digital coupon that's coming off of the deodorant. It's also giving you back $2 for having purchased the two deodorants as well. Everything is $2. It seems to be everything is $2. So yeah, so those are going to be $16 for the both of them, minus $2, it'll be $14, and then you're going to get $2 back, so it's going to be about $12. But stay until the end of the video because there is something much more greater that you're going to get for this, so listen up. Now that was one transaction. Here is my receipt. I got them today. Here is a $7.79 for one of the Degree deodorants and the other one half off. Here are the two Dove deodorants. All these are my digital coupons and the one that I told you I picked up at the store. Everything turned out great. I did use a perk to help me lower the cost, which means that you get money back into your account. Plus there was a digital one, and I'm not sure where the other $5 came from, but hey, why not? $17 back for that. Now I did pay $17.68 before my taxes, so having gotten everything back was amazing. Now the other thing I wanted to share with you, if you have Ibotta, great. If you don't, you can use my referral code that I'm going to put here, and you can actually, I'm going to put it on my description so you can check that out, as well as my fetch referral code. Those two codes that you can use for opening an Ibotta account or a fetch account can give you money back or credit for having joined. So please check those codes in the description box. So yes, so I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $5 back on the deodorants. So you already saw everything turned out great. I only paid a few change for this transaction for the first 4 deodorants, but I am getting back those $5. I already confirmed. I have them on my account. Now also you could submit it to your fetch account and you're going to get back 3,000 points for each one, making that another $6 back to you. So that is such an amazing deal. Now these are coming out $4 each for a total of $8. There is a digital coupon of $3.99, and some people have both $3.99 and a $4 one, so you can do this transaction twice in each of your accounts of Walgreens. So I already had done it once. I got these $8 for both, take away $3.99. It's pretty much $4.01 for both of them, or about $2 each. And here's my receipt for that. You don't get something in return, but the fact that I bought it separate, I was able to use $4 in Walgreens cash, therefore only paying the 72 cents for both of those. So I thought these deals were amazing. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe here to my channel at Laundry Talk, and also you can find me on TikTok, Laundry Talk as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smile and let me know if you have any couponing questions.